Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if Threads app is not available in your country and you are facing this problem on your device while downloading Threads app on your device. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix it for you. So guys, first of all, you will have to make it sure that you are using an updated version of software on your device. So for that, open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on software update, and if there is any update available for you, update it first, and again try to download your Threads app on your device. So guys, after this, go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to simply change your country or region according to your own country. So guys, for that, open your settings again and tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, and from here tap on view account. Wait for some seconds, and from here tap on country or region, and again tap on change country or region, and from here you will have to simply select your current country in which you are living right now. So guys, after this, go back and try to download your Threads app on your device, and hopefully you will be able to download your Threads app on your device. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.